Today, I'll walk you through how to use Notion Calendar for time blocking and task management, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to organize your tasks effectively so you can maximize your productivity. First, let's begin by navigating to your Notion page. Open your browser and head over to Notion. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, the core functionalities remain the same. Once you're on your Notion workspace, you'll want to locate your task calendar. Next, click on your task calendar. This is where the magic happens. Here, you can visualize your tasks in a calendar format, making it easier to manage your time. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. It's like having a digital planner right at your fingertips. Now, you should see your tasks plotted on your calendar. This visual representation allows you to see what's on your plate at a glance. If you don't see any tasks yet, that's perfectly fine. We'll add some shortly. To create a new task, click the plus sign on the date where you want to start. This is similar to adding a sticky note to a physical calendar. A pop-up will appear, allowing you to enter the details of your new task. Once you've filled in the task details, you can drag the task to cover the desired date for that specific task. This flexibility is one of the key features of Notion Calendar, allowing you to adjust your schedule as needed. If you need to reschedule, you can also move the task to another date by simply dragging and dropping it to the new date. This intuitive interface makes managing your tasks feel seamless and straightforward. In summary, using Notion Calendar for time blocking and task management can significantly enhance your productivity. By following these steps, you can effectively organize your tasks and manage your time like a pro. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.